Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's exclusive video, I'll be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the niche would you rather. Now this is part 2. Part 1 will be linked in the description box below if you would like to check that out. I also shared with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords and their keyword niche score was in the 60s, so you can go ahead and watch that video after this one. Now if you are interested in a daily updated list of profitable Amazon KDP keywords for low content, medium content and high content books, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now let's get started. Talk about the first keyword for the day, and our first keyword for the day is would you rather adult book. Would you rather adult book has beautiful potential. It has great profitability. We have a super solid, strong keyword niche score from both ends of the Chrome extensions that we're using. Self-Publishing Titans has given us a keyword niche score of 64, which is good to see. Also, we have the Amazon Scout Pro has given us a keyword niche score of number 9, which is the highest on the scale when it comes to their scores, and it categorizes this wonderful keyword as a great niche. Coming to the total results, they are within that 3,000 to 4,000 range, a little bit too high. I would have loved them to be within 1,000 to 2,000, but this is a great opportunity to utilize this keyword, either niching down or using it as part of the 7 keyword slots because of its slightly high total results. So the total results are currently 3,238. The average bestseller rank is within that 300 to 400,000, and it is currently sitting at 457,740. Average reviews are 675, and the average price is quite acceptable. It is sitting at an average of $8.35. This is a wonderful keyword because it's really allows you a lot of space to niche down or to keep it as simple as possible. This is ideally used for the 7 keyword slots for any book related to would you rather that the audience are adults. Now you can go ahead and use this keyword definitely for your title or for your subtitle, and niching down would be an advantage in this case. To your advantage, you could niche down based on the sizing, 8.5 times 8.5 pocket size, or you could niche down based on the travel size, 6x9 or 8.5 times 11, which is a large print, and that way it would be amazing. Now the way that you're going to lay out this would you rather card is depending on your style. There are a couple of ways to structure a would you rather card, such as dividing it into kind of conversational cards, or dividing it into just a layout of 6 or 7 questions per page, or even 1 question per page coupled with a image. Now I've gone ahead and created some interiors for a couple of would you rather books available for you for commercial use. They're all KDP approved. You can go ahead and access that in the Creative Fabrica store, linked in the description box below. Now scrolling down, we do have a couple of really good books that are having bestseller ranks. Now as usual, we'd like to avoid the first 3-4 that are sponsored because the ads affect the rankings. This one here shown on the first page is not sponsored. There is no ads running, and it is really good with a strong bestseller rank of 3,971, generating around $895 per month, selling around 780 copies per month on an approximate. Now notice where it is ranking. It is ranking in the children's joke and riddle books. Now although this is ranking in the children's section, it is showing here because they've managed to use this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots, and that is why you will not see the exact keyword phrase would you rather adult book either in the title or in the subtitle. Therefore it is in the 7 keyword slots, and that's why it is ranking. Another great book with a bestseller rank of 97,788, and they have played the quantity card. So I'm not doubting their quality at all, but they have decided to play the quantity strategy method, where they are offering a mega 3,001 would you rather questions. So the more the better it is as well, and I'm sure that they're structuring the interior of the book based on specific topics to really structure and divide that 3,001 questions. So that's also something that you could go ahead and do in terms of offering more questions. preferably in the thousands, if not if not less. Do what's appropriate for you, I guess, and it's your choice. These are just options for you to really niche down, and also at the same time offer value and over deliver to your customers, so you can get repeated customers, you can get your book selling or ranking on the first page. So let's have a look at the second keyword for the day. And our second keyword for the day is would you rather books for adults. Now the previous one was would you rather adult book. This one's phrased slightly differently. We've just added the S and we've moved around the adult and the book word in the sentence structure, but it gives us beautiful results. We have a keyword niche score of 58 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension and a keyword niche score of number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Now this keyword has been highly searched by, and it was showing in the recommended suggested keywords list. That's why customers are inputting this keyword. So rest assured that this keyword has been searched by many customers and you are free to use it as you wish. Now the total results are under 1,000 and they're currently sitting at 702. We have the average bestseller rank in the 500,000, so preferably you would use that in the 7 keyword slots because of the slight high average bestseller rank. So it is averaging 575,945. We have the average reviews at 814. Average price is $8.40. Scrolling down here, this is a really flexible general keyword that you can be able to expand and sub niche to accordingly. This one, for example, has a bestseller rank of 3,971. We have this one is with a beautiful bestseller rank of 11,103, generating around $500 per month, selling around 360 copies. Notice that it is ranking in the category of group theory. This one's in party games. This one is in teen and young adult family issues. So choose the right category because it really does make a difference, and you can choose a maximum of 3 categories. Now let's head over to our third and final keyword for the day before we end today's video. And our third keyword is would you rather books for kids 8 to 12. And this is a beautiful long tail keyword that has what we need to get started. The only thing missing from this keyword is the theme of the book. What is the topics of the would you rather? Are they based on topics to do with would you rather questions about animals, about history, science fiction? Are they funny? Are they challenging? Are they silly? These kind of questions as well. What is the main topic? So that's something for you to decide as well. So would you rather books for kids 8 to 12 has a keyword niche score of 59 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. Also Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 6, which beautifully complements the 59, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting under 1,000 and they're currently at 675. Average bestseller rank is within that 300,000 range, getting into the 400,000, which is still acceptable, and it is currently averaging 394,627. We have an average whopping reviews of 1,426 and an average price of $7.54. Beautiful opportunity. Just see what kids around the ages of 8 to 12 are really interested in. You can go ahead and niche down to create a specific book utilizing the exact same keyword as it is phrased, but creating a book for girls, for boys, and the theme, the coloring, the interior will be different. Just remember that the more you're able to offer in terms of course the quality but also the quantity, the better it is, because usually the people who are buying these kind of books are either parents, grandparents, caregivers, teachers, these kinds of people who are gifting this book as a gift for children. So it's really important for them to keep the child busy as much as possible, keep them entertained, and keep them possibly educated depending on the specific niche of the would you rather book that you are embarking on. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video.